bestie, Trina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I just wanted to come on camera really quickly to show you guys a product that I picked up from the drugstore. I actually had 2 of them sent to me, and so I was in the drugstore and I saw that they were actually in the drugstore, so I wanted to try one of them, a shade that caught my eye, so I grabbed it. And I wanted to show you guys really quick just how they look on my lips. I don't have them on. I'm wearing a Milani gloss, which I absolutely love, but I'm going to try these guys out on camera for you and do some really quick lip swatches. The product that I'm talking about is these guys right here. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but these are the new Covergirl melting Pout matte lipsticks. I am here for a good matte lippy. You guys know that. Lately though, I've been really into the color, the more pigmented lip glosses, but I love a good matte lip. Y'all know how I feel about that. So I wanted to come on camera and show you guys these. These I picked mine up from, I have 3 shades here that I have that I grabbed, but I picked these up from, again, 2 was sent to me, sorry, but I picked this one up from Walgreens, and they retail for $7.99. They also have a lip topper, which is supposed to be like some glitter type situation. That's not really my thing, so I probably won't try this out for you guys. I'm sorry, but it says it's a liquid glitter top coat, and this is how it looks, come in a little squeezy, but this isn't my thing. Again, these were sent to me. These 3 here were sent to me, and so this is really not my thing, so y'all probably won't see me try this. I'm sorry, but I will show these to you guys. Now, I don't see any claims to what these are going to do, so because I am a matte girl, I am going to wear the last one and let it dry down. The other 2, I'm not gonna let them dry down, but I probably will keep this on and let it dry down for a second, just so that I can see and do the little kiss test, so I can see if it's actually a long-lasting matte that won't move, because y'all know how I feel about the matte. So this video won't be long at all. Again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and become part of the Bestie Clan. There is a little notification bell. Make sure you hit that bell so that you can see every time I upload a video. But let's go ahead. I'm gonna wipe this off, and then I'll come back in and do the kiss test. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I wanted to come on really quickly and give you my final thoughts on the lippy. I feel like they're very comfortable, but I did have one complaint, and that was on the second shade that I put on for you guys, Ballerina. This more pinkish nude color here. This one was a bit patchy. I loved the color. Love the color, but the patchiness, I had to work with this a little bit more than the other ones. It just was very patchy, but once I could get it to work, it's a very gorgeous color. So that's my only thing. They do dry down. They are not drying. They don't feel too dry. You know how sometimes a matte lip can feel really dry and just icky. This one doesn't feel like that, and I've had this shade on for a little bit. It's been about 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes, and it's completely dried down. So I will go ahead and do the kiss test for you guys. And nothing there. I'm here for it, y'all. Y'all know when your girl can put on a lippy and not worry about it moving. Boo, I'm here. Thank you so much, Covergirl. Yes, I'm here for it. Yep, see, nothing. So I definitely like that. That's a plus for me. So if you guys like good matte lippies, definitely check Covergirl out. These were again $7.99. They retail in the store for $7.99. They have quite a few shades. I think they have a red shade, if I'm not mistaken. I've been looking for it, but I can't find it. But once I get my hands on that, we're gonna be onto something. But the only complaint I have about it was that second shade, the ballerina shade, was definitely very patchy. Love the color, but it was just hard to apply. I don't know why. The first shade was nice. For me, it's a little bit too light for me, so what I probably will have to do is put on a liner, a lip liner, probably like my chestnut liner, and just line my lips with that, and blend it in to be able to wear it, because it was just a little bit too on the paler side for me. But this purple, I absolutely love this, y'all. I'm gonna have to rock this for a little bit. But that is it for me, guys. That was my thoughts on those 3 lippies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you look down below. There's a red button that says subscribe and become part of my bestie clan. Turn that notification bell on so that you're always able to see when I upload a video. Come on and socialize with me. On Instagram, it is Trina Felicia. On Twitter, it is Trina Felicia. On Snapchat, it is Trina's Beauty. And until next time, guys and girls, I will see you